Hello everyone, I'm making another one of the Bridgerton cake mixes, box mixes from Betty Crocker. This one is the Petite sponge cake kit. It comes with strawberry filling, powder for the frosting, the cake mix, and then 4 aluminum cups. So I guess it's gonna make 4 mini sponge cakes. So for the cake mix, I need to stir in 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1 egg. For the whipped filling, it's gonna be this mixture plus 1/2 cup milk. So I'm gonna get the sponge cake started. So yeah, divide batter among foil cups about 1/3 cup each. Let me get that mixed together. Bake 15 to 8 minutes. All right. Definitely not a lot of mixture. It doesn't say to put the cups on a baking sheet. I did. I also sprayed them with butter spray. Again, the instructions didn't say that, but I'm doing it out of habit because I assume otherwise they're going to stick to these little aluminum foil cups. All right, now I'm going to put them in the oven, 16 to 18 minutes at 350. It's been 18 minutes. I keep waiting because I feel like they should be a little darker. They're a little darker in the box. But I did use the toothpick test and it came back clean. So I am gonna be done with them. Danny, wait, you're not Danny. You're Herman. So yeah, gonna let them cool for 10 minutes. It says let them cool for 10 minutes. Remove them from the muffin tin or cupcake tin and then cool them longer. And then once they're cool, I will make the frosting. These actually came out of the cups very easily. I popped one out already. Still a little warm. So I'll let them cool for about 20 more minutes and then I will make the frosting. I'm making the icing now. It's that package. And then you whip it together for 1.5 minutes, 2-3 minutes. I think it's gonna make like a whipped cream frosting. It's coming together. I did have to lower the stand so it reaches the bottom. I don't know if you're aware, but like if you have a KitchenAid, I'll just show you real quick. If you take a butter knife and twist that back and forth, that will lower and raise this because the different attachments are different lengths. And so if it's not touching the bottom, then that's how you can get it, because it wasn't touching enough of the whipped cream powder to mix it. But now it looks really good. It's whipped cream. This was the strawberry jam. I just squeezed it out onto, well, first off, I cut the cakes in half. Now I'm gonna spread that around and then add the whipped cream. Now I have some powdered sugar and I'm just putting a little powdered sugar on top to make it look pretty. There was extra whipped cream. I could have probably filled more, but I didn't want to get overboard to make it bite-sized. All right, here we go. Cat supervision, always. We did give him a little taste of the extra whipped cream. Danny, you got your treat. It does look good, but do I think it's worth it? That box only made 4, what is essentially 4 cupcakes for $6. Value-wise, no. This is not a good deal. It was fun to make, but I would not buy this kit again. So it's definitely more than bite size, bigger than a typical cupcake. The frosting is definitely like whipped cream. I don't even know if I can eat it. It just tastes like a cupcake.
Yeah.
There's nothing special. Nothing special. A good, but the scone kit was a lot better. I mean, the sponge cake, it doesn't taste anything special.
It's a good sponge cake.
It is a good sponge cake. I'm just talking about because that kit was $6
Wow.
to make 4 of these.
Mm-hmm.
Come here. Come here. Come up here. If you jump on my lap, go up here.
He doesn't understand English.
I want him to see. Come, Felix, come on. Come on, Felix.
He's much too fancy to go up there.
Felix is the reclusive cat.
Reclusive?
Reclusive? What's it? Reclusive, right?
Yeah, but he's all dressed up.
Who would look at it? At a tea party. Felix, if you want some, you gotta jump on my lap. Cinnamon does.
Yeah.
This is what I got going on. That cat?
He's leaving. Fancy pants. Show fancy pants.
I don't know if you can see him. I can't.
Fancy pants.
Fancy pants. He's a tuxedo cat. So yeah, I enjoy making it. I wouldn't buy this kit again. I am tempted about the scone one again. That one was good. For this one, I can do better with just a typical cupcake mix. It just tasted like whipped cream. I mean, it was good whipped cream. But it's whipped cream. It's already like losing its oomph. The others that are sitting here. So it's, you gotta eat it right away. When you make homemade whipped cream, it loses the air pretty quickly.
What's going on? Knock it off.
That's Mimosa. She's our problem child. Lots of problems with her.